here at the Chocolate and Coffee Festival, and Marcus is super excited. I'm gonna check out this caramel pecan salted caramel thingy. It's like, I already took a bite. It's pretty delicious. So it's gonna be like cheat day, like bad.
I'm in competition.
What do you have to say before the competition starts?
I am really nervous and I don't know what's gonna happen at all.
Hey, there he is. Come on up, my friend. You're right over here. Perfect. So, Marcus, why don't you tell us what we have here? This is very beautiful.
This is a chocolate coffee shop with mousse in the middle, so it's coffee mousse, and it has a salted caramel, all the meringue, and on top it has cocoa powder.
And is that an edible spoon, too?
The spoon is edible.
I think he's taking them on. He's going after the adult class, you guys. Watch out. Can you all see this on camera? This is beautiful. Can you all see it?
Yeah.
Okay. I have no idea what's happening in there, so you have to be my eyes. No, you did a wonderful job. So tell me, what was the inspiration, my friend?
Because there was a lot of alcohol here, so I did a shot glass.
Wow! Woo! He doesn't get a round of applause for that. Wow! And tell me about the mousse. I heard that was kind of a little tricky.
Yeah, the mousse, we had to do it a lot of times because it kept on messing up, and we finally got it at the last minute.
Perfect. And you're happy with it? Well, judges, I'm excited to hear what happens when you got in the middle of this thing. It looks beautiful on the outside. So I wish you could see how beautiful it looks inside. And I love the idea of the shot glass. That's very cool. And the spoon is amazing. Good job. Very well done. Awesome.
Excellent presentation. It looks just like a shot of a dessert kind of drink. Good job. Did you do this all yourself?
No, my mom helped me.
Okay, wonderful. Very good.
Thank you very much, Ray.
I wanted to ask you about your experience at the baking competition and wanted to know a little bit about your thoughts on everything.
My thoughts on everything is that it was good. That I liked the baking and all that hard work that we put into it. And yeah, that's it. Bye.